Month of the year in Igbo. Month in Igbo is Onwa. Onwa. This can also be used to mean moon, like the moon. So the first month is Onwambo. Onwambo, which we call January. January. Okay? We don't say January when we are speaking Igbo. We make it sound so Igbotic, like January. January. No, ọnwa January. Ọnwa abụọ, meaning second month. We say February. February. Igbos don't say February when they are speaking Igbo. We say February. February. Okay? We don't like wasting sounds. So we say everything as it is. February. The third month, which is ọnwa atọ. Ọnwa atọ is March. 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 The fourth month, which is ọnwa anọ, we say April. April. Ọnwa ise. May. May. Ọnwa isii. June. June. Ọnwa asaa. July. July. Ọnwa asatọ. Ọgọstụ. Ọgọstụ. Ọnwa itoolu. Septemba. Septemba. Ọnwa iri. Ọktoba. Ọktoba. Ọnwa iri na otu. Nọvemba. Ọnwa iri na abụọ. Disemba.